CQT Computer Quick Tips, episode number 30, Google two-step verification. Hello everyone and welcome to this edition of CQT Computer Quick Tips. This is episode 30 and today I'm going to talk to you about the Google two-step verification for logging in to your account. Last week I had talked about how to get into your email client after you changed your email. You might not have been able to get into your email client using your Google account, and also I showed you how to do that with your Outlook account too, formerly Hotmail, if you couldn't get into your account using your email client after you changed your Outlook password. But just last week, WatchMojo.com's YouTube channel was hacked, and although the hackers didn't delete anything, they changed a lot of the video's titles. So that was a big thing that was in the news. So I'm going to show you how to set up two-step verification today to give you an extra layer of security on your account, on your Google account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Gmail, or you can just sign in to your Google account, but Gmail's fine. After you're signed into your account, go to the icon in the upper right corner and click on it, and then click on My Accounts, and then click on where it says Sign In and Security, and scroll down to where it says Two-Step Verification, and click on that. And then next scroll down here and click on Get Started. And now you'll have to sign into your Google account again, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And now you come to where you can enter a cell phone number where you can get text messages or phone calls. So I'm not going to show you my phone number, but I'll just type it in here. And now you have the option. You can either get a text message or you can get a phone call. I'm going to opt for a text message, and then we'll hit try it. Okay. Now I'm going to pause here for just a moment while I go to my text account. Okay, now I've got a verification code right here. This is the one for this session, so I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go back to the Google page. And now I'm going to enter the code that I copied here. And I'm going to hit next. And now I'm going to hit turn on. Okay, so now this is set up, and you have a phone number that'll either send you a text message or voice, and that's the default number. You can set up a backup number as well if you want to. You can have backup codes. These are printable one-time codes, allowed you to sign in when away from your phone, like when you're traveling. So you can print these out on a printer and carry them with you. They're just one-time use. You get 10 on a sheet, and after you use those up, you can generate 10 more. You can get a Google prompt. Get a Google prompt on your phone and just tap yes to sign in if you want to. Um, you can have authenticator apps. Use the authenticator app to get free verification codes even when your phone is offline. Available to Android and also iPhone. And then here you can put that backup number in here as well. Or you can get a security key that you actually plug into a USB port, so that when you come to a different device, all you have to do is plug that security key into the computer and you can have access that way. Now we're going to back up one time here, and I'm going to come down here to app passwords. Now if you have a mail client, an external mail client where you don't log into your um, web-based mail, you can't get in. You can't use the password that you normally would when you log into your Google account anymore. It'll reject that, but you can make a specific password for that particular client. What you do is you come down here to App Passwords and click on that. And since I just set up this, I don't have any app passwords generated, but just go down here to select app, and you can name it calendar, contacts, YouTube, or if it's like the another email client, you can just click other, and then you give it a name, like Thunderbird, the Thunderbird email client. So I'm going to say that. And hit generate. And then if I was going to use this to sign in to Thunderbird, this would be the password here. You don't have to worry about the spaces. You can just highlight it and paste it in when you get to the password process on your mail client. I would copy this and put it in a safe place, because it won't show you this again after you hit done. It'll just put here the name of the client, the date it was created, the last time it was used, and then you can revoke that. So I'm not actually going to use this on mail clients, so I'm just going to revoke it. But we're going to go back here and go back to the two-step verification. Again, you have to put in your password. We're going to put that back in. Click OK. And I'm going to get another verification code. Now, I don't have cookies enabled here, so that's why I have to get another verification code to sign in here. But if you have your cookies enabled on your system, you won't have to do that again, because it will remember your computer or your sign in. But I'm going to go ahead and get that code now. And I'm going to paste that in here and enter. Alright. Now, I told you about the backup codes that you can have if you don't have your cell phone with you. You just hit setup here, and it'll generate this card, and you go ahead and print this out and you can use any one of those 10 numbers there to get into your account. And as you use one, it'll come up and it'll tell you that it's been used, and you'll have the number left there. And after you use all them up, you can generate more codes. Just get new codes here. So that's what you can do with that. And that's how you set up the two-step verification for your Google account. It'll help you keep people out of your account. And this is also works with your YouTube channel because it's all part of Google. So if you want to keep things secure, I would highly suggest that you use this setup here to have this two-step verification enabled to help keep your Google account secure. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. The link's down below. And check out my social media sites, G+, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you missed last week's CQT, click the image on the left. And also check out my website, the Chuck Baker homepage at chuckbaker.org. And I will see you next week for another edition of CQT. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.